and off you go to the left. Off you go to the left. Think you can make that landing?
Try it.
Go for it.
From here?
Yeah, pitch forward. We'll have a go. See what's the worst that can happen. Go around.
Yeah.
So keep one hand on the throttles. Turn right slightly now. We're just trying to line up with the runway. Pitch up slightly. That's enough. That's enough. One red, three whites. So you see the lights on the left hand side with one's red, three white dots?
Yeah.
Two reds, two whites, that's perfect. So now we need to just pitch up and we just need to hold two reds, two whites all the way down. So pitch forward slightly. Turn right a little bit. A little bit left, 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 left. A little bit up, pitch up a bit. Pitch up a bit. A little bit more power. There we go. No, hold on.
50.
When it says retard, then close the power.
30. 20. Retard.
And just pitch up slightly. There we go. Full power.
Full power?
Yeah, full power. We're going to go around. Use the rudder pedals to hold the runway center line. And rotate. Pitch up. Gently, there we go. Positive climb. Gear up. Good landing. Very good first landing. I didn't even take control.
I don't believe you.
I helped you a little bit to line up the runway, but you didn't hear any of the noise.
Yeah, okay.
So you know it was
That's
close.
true, yeah.
And up you go to 15 degrees. 15 degrees, there we go. Left turn heading 210 please. And we'll maintain 2,000 feet. So pitch forward, we're not going to go above 2,000 feet. Pitch forward, pitch forward, pitch forward. Alright, fine, take it to 3,000 feet. Heading's coming in, so start leveling out and pitch forward because the altitude's coming in. And hold the speed at 220 knots. Pitch forward, there we go. There we go, a little bit left because we're still not on our heading.